Hey guys, this is Eli with MyAirbags.com. Today we are in a Nissan Kicks and we're going to show you how to move the shift knob into any gear without any keys. Now on this car, there's two ways to go ahead and unlock the gear shifter. There's an easy and fast way, and then there's a slightly longer way, but it's not as complicated. And then the second option is a little bit longer, but it shouldn't be too difficult. We're going to start right here. You want to use a flathead or a small prying tool. You want to get in this little nook that lifts up this piece. Remove that. Now when you go in, you want to go in at this angle here and towards the front of the vehicle. It may take you a few times to get it, but you should feel a little indent. And then at the same time, go ahead and grab your gear shifter and you can move it into gear. The slightly longer way to do it, if you can't get that quite right, is to go in right here, grab a little pry bar. Once you have that popped off, go ahead and move it right up. And then move on to this back piece. You want to do the same thing, but only on the back two clips. So get right underneath, apply some pressure. And then you should have a clear view over here. And then over here, you'll see this little beige or white lever piece here. You want to go ahead and grab your flathead and then simply swing it down. And at the same time, you can go ahead and pull down the gear shifter. If you found this video helpful, give us a like, comment. We would love to read your comments, or just go to myairbags.com. You can call us, text us, just reach out anytime.